Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. I want to get this video in case the boys start taking apart before they unload this. It's 9 degrees here in Wisconsin today. It's a 1984 Honda TRX200. I was told that it all runs great, everything's wonderful. And then when I got there, they could not find the key, and we tried to hotwire it. It has good compression, but I could not get spark, so I'm going to have to play with it to get it going. It's all here, passenger side, cracked fenders, front and back, but for the most part, everything looked pretty decent. Shocks looked like they had been replaced at some point. There is a snow plow, but he didn't know where that was. He's supposedly going to get that for me. Recoil worked great as I cranked and pulled on it. Rear rack is there. He said he's going to look for the trunk lid. I don't know. So if you need any parts for your TRX200, let us know. Hopefully we can help. Again, subscribe down below to see what else we bring when we bring it. And send us any comments or get on eBay to pick up any parts that we've got. Thanks for watching.